here today talking about how we're switching from Microsoft Exchange to G Suite. How exciting is that?
Microsoft Exchange encompasses the Skype, the Outlook, the calendars, the everything. Like all of the way we do the documents and everything, yeah.
So we went through all of the skill ports and we went through and kind of got together all the things that we think are pretty cool. There is creating and modifying groups. So you can create a group and make it public so anybody can join, and then underneath it you can have like a calendar, what the group's doing, that kind of thing. Additionally, you can have it labeled as a team, and then the manager would have to approve anybody who's being added. Next is Google Drive. So that's kind of like a cloud storage, and we can use it to put projects on. So like the EP report, where you can access it all at the same time and it updates instantaneously. So an example of that actually was really cool. We were working on a slideshow together. We had my laptop up and we had my husband's desktop computer up, and it was the same project, and you edit one and the other one would change automatically.
And then I went home to my country bumpkin home and brought it up and was able to edit it seamlessly, and she's able to see what she was doing right then. So where this is really going to impact us is right now when we work on, for example, the BP report. If it's open and Kim is working on it, then it says it's checked out from everyone else, right? So only one person can be editing. This way, two of us can tackle it at the same time. It automatically saves and automatically updates to each other. So we can be working on the same BP report. I'll select one yellow, she'll see it instantly. So that's going to be really, really cool. And that's totally just you give permission. So I'd be able to kind of like a screen sharing thing. So for this example, Tiff gave me permissions to work on the slideshow, and it's just seamless. It's awesome. It's going to be a life changer.
Next thing would be calendars. So you're able to book a conference room even at other branches. So it kind of shows up as like an item. So you select that item, and underneath it there's a calendar. You can book off a conference room. Additionally, you can set up things like a projector, that kind of thing, like a unit, and rent it out. Let's see, seamless video conference, any device.
Yeah, so this is really cool too. When you're opening any email, they don't have to be someone who's linked into the Skype network. So if you have a client or a customer who's not into the Google Docs or whatever like that, and you want a video conference with them, from their email you can link that open, and any device that's video enabled, so a cell phone, a tablet, anything like that, you can video conference with them from this device.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. It's going to be really cool. It's really exciting stuff, guys.
Yeah, absolutely. And there's actually, due to this partnership, there's going to be Google might implement their search engine into our wiki.
So in total, this isn't just like we're getting new calendars, woohoo. This is a partnership with Google itself. So there's going to be all sorts of doors that are opening that have never been open to us before. Like their algorithm is going to be embedded into Wiki eventually, hopefully. So instead of typing like the exact wording of business e-transfers, you can type in there, how do I e-transfer with businesses? And it should come up just like if you're Googling from home. Super, super awesome, because we all know the pain what it is now.
So it's work reimagined.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to teach us.
Everything is going to be so seamless. Everything from your existing emails right now converts right over to the Gmail system. So when we go live, and they're targeting this like mid-July for this to happen, and it's going to be like that. They're going to have people, they're already doing teams right now with the G-Evangilists that are going to go to the branches and spread how really cool this program is. There's going to be G-Whizzes, who are people who, isn't that awesome? G-Whizzes, just for like this. There are people who have already been using it in some form. They're either familiar with it at home, or they've just taken all the courses and they're really good at it, and they get a certificate, and then they can come and help you teach. And then there's also going to be, there's one more, G-Guides, and they're going to be people who are in the process of learning with you. So they're going to know what challenges you're coming up to, and those are all going to be accessible. And they're talking about having like 500 of them throughout the company. So there's going to be people everywhere who are coming, and that's going to be their sole job, is to teach everyone how to seamlessly change over into this new system. So I think it's going to go really, really slick.
Yeah, absolutely.
They're talking about it being like a big, huge life change. Like this is reimagining everything about how we work. So they said, in order to reimagine banking for all of our customers, first, we need to reimagine how we work and how we do everything day to day. And once we reimagine how we work, then we can reimagine how we do everything for customers. So it's super exciting, and it's going to impact everyone, which is awesome. So if anybody have any questions? That's all I got.
It'll be exciting.
Yeah, it really is, guys. I can't wait.
We switched at National Oil when I was there to Google,
Okay.
and it was pretty smooth. The only thing is to remember to set your time and date on your calendar, because you might come in the wrong non-mountain time, and then you're really screwed. But there's a few minor things, right?
Yeah.
It can happen.
There's definitely going to be some hiccups and stuff,
Yeah.
but they've planned for that. And if anybody's curious, Lauren had, it's called a Friday Hangout, and it's like a half-hour video with the G team and with Lauren, and it was really exciting. Like they did wonderful things to like pump you up and realize just how cool this is going to be. And they're totally anticipating lots of people who are hesitant about it, and they're planning that into their training. So they're going to have people who are also hesitant about it, who can answer your questions and are going to be going through the same kind of things that you guys are going to be going through as well. So, and they're trying to get people from every portion of the company. So they want CSRs, and they want IT people, and they want B&A people, and they want branch managers, and they're building all of those people into these teams. So I think there's going to be a really good mix of people who can answer questions for them too.
When is the training going to start? I know it's not coming out until July, but
Yeah, they're talking like
People like me.
late May and June, probably. Yeah.
You can start.
You can start now.
Right now.
Yes.
The skill ports are all available right now. I found them helpful, but more so, I went in and signed up for the G Suite and went through their features and went through their page and really just kind of played around with it. And I found that more helpful than the skill ports are good too, but I found the actual playing around with it really cool.
Get your kids to help you build.
Totally. Yeah, all the schools are on Docs already, so I know Charlie does everything with Docs, which is cool because the teacher assigns the homework. We go home, it's on our tablet already, on the phone, she does it, presses submit, the teacher already has it. He can assign them more homework, he can send them back their comments, like she can edit it all like through the internet. It's amazing. Like what technology we've got.
Or this
No, this is
yeah.
this is New Norway's school.
They don't bring a
Do they
textbook
need
home anymore?
teachers?
Yeah, pretty much.
yeah.
Wow.
They tried to go all computers in Ramsdale in the junior high, and nobody liked it. Not everybody's got computers at home.
I think-
That's a real issue.
I think Docs is going to be the way of the future, though. I think that the schools are going to eventually be providing computers for the people who don't have access, because I think that is the way that this is going, because it works so good to have that support. Anybody else have more questions?
You said that half-hour video with Lauren, is that just on the website?
Yeah, so
On the G.
I just put in on the homepage, I typed in G Suite, and it's one of the things that came up, and it says it's the Friday Hangout with the G team, and it's really cool. Yeah, all right.
Thanks a lot, ladies.
That's all we got. Have a
Awesome.
great day, guys.
I got one shout out for one of our PBs. The month of January, we have Jackie being recognized for insurance.